So welcome back once again. This is Kevin from Construction Scale Model Imports in Australia today, doing a full function test on an advanced assembled model for the VLV360. So we've taken the standard model of the hydraulic excavator and modified this with sound and proportional sound and lights. There is a German pump put in this particular machine, so you've got more power on your hydraulics. Also, the sound is being modified, so you have proportional sound when you're carrying out any of the hydraulic functions. So we're using today a Futaba FX22 radio, and I'll go through a few functions. So the first one is the sound. You have the horn and the ignition start on this particular switch. So it's now cranking. You bring it back to the center, it stops. You go up, it's the horn. They go back again and come to the center within 1 second, and you will get the sound of the engine. So I'll put it off. I'll do a quick demo again. So crank. The engine's on. It's off. Now crank, and there you go, the engine's on again. So the joysticks can be assigned to whatever function you want. On this one, this is the main boom, as you can see. I need to start the hydraulics. I didn't do that, so I'm going to start the hydraulics on this dial now. Okay. And then I have the stick, I have the bucket. Okay, now I'll show you the lights. So I'll just put the main light off so you can actually see the lights up there. So it's pretty powerful work lights to get the right focus when the machine is working. We have included some red lights at the back. So you can actually see the beacon perform pretty well too. You can see the strobing or the rotation of the beacon. And you can see the work lights is actually giving you good focus on where you're actually working, so it's quite bright. And actually, if you get the boom down, you would actually get better visibility on your lights. So there you go. I'll just bring it down here. And now I'll show you while you're actually performing work, you've got good coverage of the lights. So that actually gives you a good indication when you've got the work lights on at night. So I'll flash the lights on back again. Okay, so the boom's got pretty good reach. Pretty good wear plates on the bucket. The ground engaging tool or the teeth on the bucket can be replaced, as you can see, and you can buy these as spares if you wish. As you can see, you can have all three functions work at the same time. I'll try to synchronize them. It's a little bit hard because I do not have enough of practice, but you can actually see so you can pretty much have all the three functions work at the same time. The door on the cabin does open up and you have pretty good detail inside the cab also. Now I'm going to try to do a function. The table I have is pretty narrow, so I've got to be careful I don't drop this machine off. So let's try to see if I can get the tracks moving and the cab rotating at the same time. There you go, single track motion. So single track motion as the cab is rotating. You can increase the track speed, and all the motors in the tracks as well as the slew body is completely brushless. So pretty impressive when you want to have all functions working at the same time. I think overall this machine is definitely a good bang for your buck. So we'll put the track motions back to stop. I'll show you one more test with the boom fully expanded. This machine's got enough of strength to actually lift itself. So let me just get the track aligned first. I'll increase the hydraulic pressure. So there you go. So even with the boom fully expanded, it's got enough of leverage to pick its own body weight up, which I think is quite impressive. So that's pretty much what we have on this particular video. As usual, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or emails, please feel free to email us at info@csmi.com.au. And if you are interested in this machine, you can buy this from our website, which is www.csmi.com.au. Thank you.